In this video, I am going to show you how to program a VSeeBox V6 Max remote to TV. First of all, you would like to place the two remotes together. Before you begin, just turn on your TV and place the VSeeBox remote and your TV remote facing each other about 1 to 3 inches, which is 3 to 8 centimeters apart. Of course, after that, you will have to enter the learning mode. You will have to press and hold the TV power button on the VSeeBox remote for about 3 to 5 seconds until the indicator lights begin flashing. This means the remote has entered the learning mode. Once you do so, you'll have to choose the button that you want to program, such as TV power, volume up, volume down, mute, and input. Then press that button on the VSeeBox remote. Immediately press and hold the matching button on your TV remote. So if the indicator flashes or stop flashing, the button has been saved successfully. You can repeat these steps for the remaining buttons. So as an example, we can press the power button on the V box or VC box, then press it on our normal remote. After that, of course, we'll have to exit the learning mode, and you can press any non-programmable button or simply wait for a few seconds and the remote will automatically exit learning mode. Then, once you do so, you'll have to test each programmed button. As example, take your remote, test the power button, volume up, volume down, mute, inputs, any other button that you programmed. If a button doesn't work, just repeat the learning process for that button and you should be good to go. So that's how you program a VC or a VSeeBox V6 Max remote to your TV. I hope you found this video helpful. If you do, hit that like and subscribe, and goodbye.